Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about power of lens. This is a convex lens.
Suppose a ray of light is parallel to principal axis. Now if a ray of light is parallel to principal axis, after refraction it passes through focus.
Let us assume that the distance between focus and the optical center is 10 centimeter. Now if we take another lens, convex lens, for this second convex lens as well, the incident ray is parallel to principal axis.
So the ray after refraction passes through focus.
But this time, now you can see that in lens number 2, in lens 2, the distance between optical center and focus is greater than in case of lens 1. Let us say in case 2, the distance between optical center and the focus is 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. So in case 2, the focal length is more, in case 1, the focal length is less. Now let us extend the incident ray in both the cases. Incident rays are extended in both the cases. And you can see the difference in terms of deviation clearly, that in lens 1 the deviation is more, whereas in case 2, in lens 2 the deviation is less. So the lens 1 has more ability to deviate the ray. Okay, the lens 1 has more ability. So ability of lens 1 to deviate the ray from its path is more than the ability of lens number 2. So ability of lens 1 is more than ability of lens number 2. Now ability is known as power in the language of optics, in the language of physics. So we can say that power of lens 1 is greater than the power of lens 2. Alright, so power of lens 1 is more than power of lens 2, but if you see the focal length of lens 1, the focal length of lens 1 is less than the focal length of lens number 2. So from this particular discussion, we can conclude that power of lens is inversely proportional to the focal length. And since power is inversely proportional to focal length, we can say power is equal to 1 upon f. Okay, this is the formula to find out the power of a lens. Now focal length is in centimeter. So unit of power will be what? Unit of power will be 1 upon centimeter. But unit of power cannot be in 1 upon centimeter. It must be 1 upon meter only. Okay, unit of power must be 1 upon meter. So from this we can conclude that unit of power is 1 upon meter. But 1 upon meter is also known as diopter, capital D. Okay, so unit of power is diopter, and that is the SI unit of power. So power is 1 upon focal length. Now suppose if the focal length is in centimeter, we must first convert in meter, and then only we can write the answer of power. So from this discussion we can define power as ability of a lens to deviate a ray of light is known as power of lens. Let us take an example. Suppose the focal length of convex lens. Suppose focal length of a lens, convex lens, is 20 centimeter. Then what is the power? Now focal length is given in centimeter, so P is equal to 1 upon F, but F is in centimeter. Convert centimeter into meter. So 1 upon F centimeter is 1 upon 100 meter. This 100 will go in numerator. So now we can write the formula of power as 100 upon F meter inverse, or we can say P is equal to 100 upon F diopter. Okay, so henceforth we will use this particular formula to find out the power. So here power is 100 upon focal length is 20. So power is equal to plus 5 diopter. Okay, power is plus 5 diopter. Let us look at couple of more examples. The focal length of convex lens is 10 centimeter. Calculate its power. So power is 100 upon f in diopter. Focal length is 10 centimeter. So we can say P is equal to plus 10 diopter. Why plus? Because the lens is convex, and for a convex lens focal length is positive. Next example. Focal length of a concave lens is 25 centimeter. Calculate its power. So power is equal to 100 upon focal length, unit is diopter. 100 upon focal length is minus 25 this time. Why minus? Yes, you are correct, because the lens is concave. So P is equal to minus 4 diopter. So power of convex lens is positive because its focal length is positive, and power of concave lens is negative because its focal length is negative. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.